Okay, part 2. So life and death, life and death, life and death. Oh, God, there I go again. My throat chakra is really blocked. Anyway, I just quickly checked for flower essences as well, and it's interesting. A few of the flower essences that have shown up. It's tall mulla mulla, which is for not wanting conflict, and angel sword, which is taking on other people's crap and not being able to let it go. And it's silver princess, which is for when people are suppressing your goodness, suppressing your light, for suppressing your energy, and you just need to let it all out and let your star shine. And it's about life direction, moving forwards, and how can you plan your next 6, 12, 18, 24 months when we don't know what's going on the planet, except the big agenda continues and we don't seem to be moving forward. The boundaries continue, the challenges continue, the dialogue continues, and it gets bigger and bigger and bigger and more in your face. And it's very interesting watching this all play out. Sorry about my throat chakra, that's really funny. Okay, so running that central meridian. And just for a moment, hands on your heart chakra, and I want you to think about what death means to you. Is death just the end? Is death about karma? Is death about past lives? Or is death about the people that you've lost, that you've loved? We're all programmed with our beliefs around death and life and what we're entitled to. We all get programmed, and that's okay. But once we're aware of our programs, we can move on from there. My heart's pumping like a crazy thing. So running that central, anti-clockwise over the heart. I'll see if we need a flower essence to start with. Yep. So even just before we get started, some angel sword. Angel sword is for letting go of other people's energy, other people's belief, other people's BS that doesn't resonate with yours, that just starts sticking like mud. And we know it doesn't resonate with our own truths, our own beliefs, our own knowledge and our own guidelines. Okay, so I've done 7 drops of angel sword. So that's a whole lifetime dose. So it's sort of saying, okay, little body, anything from other people's crap that's stuck, let it go, let it go, let it go. Can be genetic, can be past life. Okay, so where do we need to go with this? I release all stress around death. Death is no longer a stress to me. I release all beliefs around death being the end. Angel sword. I am guided by my angels in death. I am guided by my angels in life. I release all pain from past life deaths. I release all pain from past life births. I am open to new ideas about death. I am open to new ideas about birth. I release any and all fears created by past lives. I release any and all fears related to past life deaths. I release any and all fears related to past life births. Escape, submission, freeze. flower essence showing up as Silver Princess. Silver Princess is for life direction. It's about being able to focus and see what you want in life, and then energetically you put enough energy into it and you start watching the way that it starts to happen around you. And part of the system of belief is that when you listen to your truth, when you work towards that, when you say your affirmations, when you say your goals, when you have your dream charts, you've put a lot of energy into it, so you start seeing those little opportunities around the place that maybe you wouldn't have seen if you hadn't been paying attention. How often do we think, I don't know what I want? How can you move towards what you want if you don't know what that is? Okay, I am open to the birth of new things. I am supportive of those who are grieving. I release all stress around death. I am open to the birth of new ideas. I am open to the death of old ideas that no longer serve me. Once again, tall mala. So this is the one to do with wanting to avoid conflict. So what is it about death or birth or new ideas that is challenging? Tall mala. These are Australian bush flower essences. Run that central meridian. I release any and all pain from past lives. I release any and all fear from past deaths. I release any and all frustration. Wow. I'm breathing a bit more easy, but I think I'll do the heart and throat chakras. Still feeling a little bit blocked. They're on two different frequencies. Don't know if you can see that. Release, release, release. Okay, the throat's moving much faster than the heart. Move that heart chakra. I am loved, I am lovable. I am worthy of love. I am worthy of being heard. I am worthy of peace, joy, and happiness in my life. I am worthy of peace, joy, and happiness in my life. I am worthy of peace, joy, and happiness in my life. Okay, my beautiful souls, hope you all have a spectacular day. Or sleep well. Hopefully we're coming out of another lockdown on Friday this week. We've had no cases for 9 days, 10 days, and we're still in lockdown. Modified lockdown, but you know, silly, crazy nonetheless. Spent an hour or so this morning listening to Dr. Robert Malone. He's worth a listen. No, I'm enjoying it. It's been escape submission free, so for me with that birth and death, there's some real wanting to run away from the concept of new birthing or wanting to run away from the concept of death. We need to keep strong. We need to keep our faith. We need to keep our truth alive. We need to own what's going on in our heart. We need to speak our values. We need to be kind. We need to be open. I am loved, I am loving, I am lovable. We are love, we are loving, we are lovable. Okay, beautiful human beings. Take care, have a good day. Bye.